Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video. I'm going to venture out in the snow with Gabriella. She's bundled up and so am I. And it's the snow, there's no snow, it's ice. And it's like I think it's still doing it. There's like a wintry mix, which is where there's freezing rain or sleet or whatever. And there's snow at the same time. So I'm going to just come over here and come out. I'm not going in my front yard because if I go in my backyard, I'm scared that our dogs are going to push me in my pool. But I have to unlock. So it stopped wintry mixing. Well, actually, no, it's now I think it's kind of still doing it. It's not really doing it anymore. But right here, there's some ice. Right here, I think you guys can see that. And then I'm just going to walk down my driveway. Snow! Actually, it's not snow. But there's ice right here. Or is that snow? I think it's ice. But, yeah. It's wintry mixing, kind of. It's more snow right now, but somehow the snow isn't sticking. So, I'm just going to climb up here. You can hear that the grass is dying, so it's all crunchy when I walk up it. So, yeah, I'm trying to de-ice this. It's going to be a short video because, it's 10 degrees outside, but, and then right here, this thing is frozen, or rail. I'm walking on this thing right now. Hopefully I don't slip. I'm so scared. I'm walking on this. So just walked by a bush. I have to walk around this corner. I slipped. And then just step off. And yeah, so I think the rest of this video is going to be inside. So I will see you guys inside. So it's going to be us wrapping up the video because it got really cold. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please click like and subscribe. And in the comments, let us know if you have ever had an ice storm or snow. Bye!